If you consider yourself a beginner writer and looking to improve your blog writing skills, stay tuned because in today's video, I'm going to share 5 blog writing tips that will help you write blog posts like a professional blogger. Hey digital learners, welcome to the channel. And if this is your first time here, my name is Rahul and I have founded Digital Creator Academy to help digital creators like you turn your digital presence into profit using various digital marketing strategies. So, if you are interested in that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon so that you never miss an important update. Alright, now without any further delay, let's get started. So, the first blog writing tip I have for you is always start with writing an attractive blog title. Your blog title is the first thing that people would read even before reading your blog post. In fact, 8 out of 10 people would read your blog title first before deciding whether they would click to continue reading the rest of blog article or not. Your blog title is so important that it can make or break your blog article. Therefore, I highly recommend you to spend some time writing an attractive title first before you start writing rest of the blog content. Also, having a clear and catchy title ensures that the content in your article stays relevant and delivers the promise made through the title of your article. The second blog writing tip for beginner blog writers is keep the introduction short and sweet. No one likes big and bulky introductions, and even if you have got a catchy title that grabs the reader's attention, you still risk losing reader's attention if your intro is boring. The first paragraph or say the first 100 words are very crucial. If you have got a target keyword for a blog article, it's the best idea to put that keyword in the first 100 words to increase your chances of higher search engine rankings. The third blog writing tip I have for you is always write in a conversational tone. The reason why people prefer reading blog articles is because of the fact that blog articles are more conversational and interesting to read, and your goal should be to deliver exactly that. I often see many new bloggers making this common mistake of not writing in a conversational tone, which makes the article boring. My recommendation for any beginner blog writer would be always write as if you're talking to the reader. Use I and you to keep the readers engaged in the conversation. Alright, my fourth blog writing tip for beginners is make the article easy to consume. Nowadays, most people don't have enough time to read entire articles. Most of them want quick information. So, format your article in such a way that the readers can quickly skim through the article and easily find the information they are looking for. You may break the blog article into small sections called intro, body, and conclusion. Further, break down the body part into small subsections called subheadings. Adding relevant images or videos can make your article even more interesting. Further, you may use bold, italic, and other formatting options to make your article easily consumable. Now, before I share the fifth blog writing tip, check out the first link in the video description below if you want to download the free checklist. When you do that, I'll add you to my email newsletter for weekly tips to become a better writer. Alright, the fifth blog writing tip for beginners is always end with a strong call to action. Once you have delivered your promise in the body part of your article, don't let the readers keep hanging and scratching their head on what to do next. Instead, conclude with a strong call to action that encourages the readers to take the next action instantly. Your call to action can be anything. It may be asking the reader to join your email list, purchasing one of your products, or simply sharing blog article and leaving a comment. By the way, if you are struggling to write your first blog article, watch this video. And if you want to learn advanced copywriting secrets, check out the link in the video description below.